Hi, I'm Brandon, School Transition and Recruitment Officer. Here at Coleg Gwent, we always put our learners first. We know that college is a big step for some of you, and that's why we strive to make your transition to college as seamless as possible. In your last few years of school, our heads of learner services may visit to introduce themselves and to tell you about the great courses we offer here at Coleg Gwent, and to let you know what you can expect from college life. You'll see me and my colleagues out and about in your local communities or at your school events, where we're there to inform and answer any questions, queries or concerns from you or your parents and guardians about your options and the next step of your educational journey. We encourage everyone to attend one of our popular open days, where you can view our fantastic facilities, meet our staff and find out more about the courses we have on offer here. With 5 local campuses and both vocational courses and 32 A-level subjects to choose from, we're bound to have a course that's just right for you. You may be invited to college for taster days and a variety of transition activities, or take part in one of our discovery days, fun ways to try out different subjects and consider your longer term career goals. College is an independent learning environment with so much support available to help you succeed. It's the perfect stepping stone between school and employment. Coleg Gwent cares about every one of our learners. So, if you need additional help or support while you're with us, or to help you with your move into college, we're here for you every step of the way. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.